Tires. This is not an old beat up car, but how many times have you had a flat tire and you go to get the tire fixed and they say, oh, well, this is a special kind of tire. We can't just replace one tire. We have to replace all four. And you say only one is bad. And so they take them all off so that they'll wear evenly and they give you the other 3 tires back. Okay, so the question is, do you save all 3 of those tires or do you only save one? Well, most people will say, well, I'll just save all 3, right? And I have been guilty as long as I've lived, like until maybe 2 years ago, with an extra set of tires, like 3 tires at every place I've ever lived, because I rotated the tires and then I ended up with the extra tires, right? I do have hoarding tendencies. But for me, the reality was I kept saying to myself, well, I don't want to find myself with a flat tire and then I've got a spare that I could just put on it. And then I don't have to buy 4 more again, right? All the years, and I'm talking, however many years that I've been on my own, I've only ever once used one of those tires. And I went on and they put it on for a weekend until they could order the new tire that actually needed to be put on my car. So I used an old tire one time, just as kind of like a Band-Aid approach until I got to a better tire. So you don't need all 4, you need maybe 1. And if you can make it into a planter or something, or you can hang on to it, hide it or something so that it's not right there on your property, great, right? But if you're storing a set or lots of sets of tires, you might have hoarding tendencies.